So I was gonna restart this video with a fun activity, but instead we're at Walmart because South Dakota welcomed us with a nice little crack in our windshield. We were driving on the highway and it had two one-lane bits, and a truck going the other way drove past and kicked up a stone, and it has, so it's fine. We're at Walmart. We're gonna get a repair kit which will hopefully stop it spreading any further, because we don't really want to have to replace the whole windshield just because of that. But we have made it 9,000 miles and 20 states before getting our first chip, so yeah, that's a pretty good ratio. So we're gonna pop into Walmart, grab what we need, and then continue on to do our more fun activity. The weather today is not great, so I don't know how long we're gonna stay there. It's really windy. Tim looked it up. It was 25-mile-an-hour winds with 40-mile-an-hour gusts, and I said, you know that it's windy when you're driving and the clouds are moving faster than you are, and I was doing 60 miles an hour. So into Walmart we go.
We are in Mitchell, South Dakota at the world's only corn palace. It's a building that they cover in 225,000 ears of corn, I believe it is. It used to be popular to do, I don't know why, but it used to be popular. They used to have them all through the Midwest. This is the only one left in existence now, and we're gonna go inside and check it out.
What I was expecting from a corn palace, but a full-size basketball court was not it. So kind of weird. So every year the outside gets a theme. So like 2004 was Lewis and Clark, 2005 was Life on the Farm, and 2024 is, oh, it only goes up to 2015. Oh wow. Cool, they change the outside every year though. If you go online, there's actually a webcam. You can watch the corn palace. It's right over there. So if you go online, you can watch it 24/7, 365, and see how it changes. I just found out from the man in the gift shop that there was a Scotland, South Dakota. He asked where I was from, and I was like, Scott. And he was like, Scotland, South Dakota? And I was like, no. And he was like, oh, well, there's a Scotland, South Dakota. And I was like, oh, today I learned. Well, that's going to do it for our time at the Corn Palace. It's worth a stop if you're in the area, but I definitely wouldn't go out of my way to come to it. It was a novelty, but there isn't really a whole lot to do. It was cool getting to see all the different variations that they've done throughout the year. So this year, 2024, is famous. The outside pictures are famous South Dakotans. Dakotans. So that was kind of cool. Apparently Pat Sajak is from here. Is that the guy who did Price is Right?
No. Nice try.
Who's the guy who did Price is Right?
Bob Barker.
Bob Barker. Apparently he is from South Dakota.
Yes.
So.
And I did get my soft caramel corn, which is shaped like an ear of corn. They didn't have any popcorn balls, which is really what I was looking for. But this will do in a pinch, and it's my road snack for the rest of the day. So.
And you also got corn on the cob that you put in the microwave, and it pops into popcorn.
I'll show you that later, because I'll be videotaping that one.
It could go really well or really badly.
Especially in our little microwave back there.
And then we also got a couple postcards to send and some other assorted snacks. And Loki got some
Loki
got some treats.
Which he thinks he's getting my popcorn, but he is not.
He does love
sadly
popcorn.
Mistaken.
But now we have about 150 miles to drive to our campsite tonight. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to another fun little local South Dakota place. So we will see you there.
Let's go.
Let's go.